What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now in today's video we're taking a look at this. It's the Carlinkit smart dash camera, which also has a trick up its sleeve, believe it or not. We've featured many Carlinkit products on this channel in the past. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist in the description down below where you can check out all the Carlinkit products in there, including this dash camera. But what you can also do is you can go to Carlinkit's website and save 15% off using my code RM15. Carlinkit were kind enough to send this out and provide a discount code for you guys, as they always do. They're always super nice to deal with and they love giving you guys discount codes so you can use their products. Now, we've featured, as I say, many products in the past. Now, the special feature for this dash camera is the fact that you can use wireless CarPlay or Android Auto on your screen with this dash camera. That's how good this dash camera really is. Now, it does take up a port in one of your USB sockets, so there's that to think about, whereas you can have like a wired dash camera. Because of the fact that it needs to be plumbed in, you can use Android Auto or wireless CarPlay. Now, it does also have Android 9 built in, which means that you're going to get apps such as Google itself, the actual internet search engine, Google Maps, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, all the stuff like that, as well as the Google Play Store, which we featured in a video on the Android box for your car. In case you want to check that one out, it's linked right above here for you guys to check out. But this one also features it, as well as having a dash cam built in, so it's like a 2 or 3 in 1. You can put a memory card into this. You can also put a SIM card in, so you don't actually need your phone. You can use this as a standalone system, put Waze on it, and you don't have to use your phone connected to it. You can just use the Android system built in, and I say, as well as having all your special features like Google Maps and Google the search engine. So there's also that to think about. But let's get into the unboxing and let's see what this is all about. But don't forget, RM15 is the special discount code. You're going to be able to find Carlinkit's website linked in the description down below with that discount code, and the first linked comment down below as well. You'll be able to find the link and the discount code for you guys only. So make sure you check that out. But let's get into the unboxing and let's see what you get with the Carlinkit smart dash camera. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's remove this from the box. Okay, so up front and center you get a product manual for your dash cam. The dash camera itself, as you can see, that 148 degree full HD wide angle lens, and of course one of these little plastic prying tools to where you can attach the wires through the headline and keep the wires hidden. So you've got USB-A end to USB-C, and the cable is quite long. An adapter from a USB end to a USB-C end in case your car also supports USB-C. So it's nice enough to give you that. You just put it on the USB-A end, USB-C to USB-C, rather than USB-A to USB-C. Okay, so now we're all officially plugged in. Here's the dash camera. And now, as you can see, the Apple CarPlay thing has already come up on the screen. So if we, it's just gone off, so let's go, do not show again, accept, and then you've got the Android interface with YouTube, Netflix, etc. Like we had on this guy right here, also from Carlinkit, but as you can see, it's not plugged in, it's plugged into the dash camera. So, as you can see, you can play YouTube through it and stuff like that if you've got a SIM card installed. But if you go to Auto Kit, that's what is going to enable the Apple CarPlay system. And then I've got it set up now to my iPhone, but you can set this up to Android Auto. But this has got another hidden trick up its sleeve that I didn't know about until just now. But as you can see, Apple CarPlay works perfectly as it should. So we come back to the main screen. If you go to load key, it loads up like so. Shows up on the main screen as this, so you can loop video, emergency file. So I haven't got a memory card in this yet, but I will show you some sample footage of a drive home just to show you what it looks like. But as you can see, you got the date, the time. It's not set up properly right now. It's not 5:25, it's now like it's 9:25 in the morning. But obviously there's no SIM card, memory card in this, so it won't be able to access any GPS locations because it hasn't got a standalone SIM card inside it right now. But this is what the dash cam looks like. USB-C on the top, plugged in down there. Now I did get this to load a minute ago, so let me just see if I can get this to work. If we click on settings while we wait, it's on 1080p. You can go to 720. You got timestamp, recording lengths of like how long you want each clip to be, recording frame rate of 25 or 30, mine set to 30. You got mic recording obviously inside the car, and you can adjust the collision sensitivity. If you go to app settings, English, you got time format, auto startup, all the usual bits. And if we go back, as you can see, we've now got a preview on the screen. So your screen will show you exactly what your dash cam is showing you. So if we go up, and if we attach this say to there, that's what you're going to be looking at. So I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's pretty... I'm twisting this camera right now, and as you can see, it's doing exactly what you want it to. There's no lag there at all between this and the video feed. So that is pretty good. What I'm going to do now is, though, I'm going to jump to some clips filmed from me drive home. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But as I say, Carlinkit were kind enough again to give us a discount code of RM15 for you to get 15% off this dash camera. Check the description down below for the playlist to all the Carlinkit stuff that we've done in the past. But that is a pretty cool all-in-one dash cam and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as its own standalone Android Auto box. Let me jump in now, put a memory card in, and we'll do the drive home, and then we'll come back to end the video. But this really cool product once again from Carlinkit. Okay, so as you can see, we start with a park shot. See the reg perfectly clear. Loads of cars moving, doesn't look distorted. Now, me moving down the street, as you can see, all looks perfectly clear. The giveaway sign, all the other signs around, people, all looks super crystal clear. No shaking in the footage, even though that lens can move. As you can see, signs all look great. So, perfect 1080p footage. Now, bear in mind, this is upscaled to 4K. Now let's move on to a night shot, but this is early hours in the morning of me heading to work. Joining the dark motorway, as you can see, still looks really, really good. And then we come into a bright city situation. You drive down the street, all the signs look crystal clear-ish. Obviously all the lights. So I think the fact is, if you weren't looking to have all kinds of wires running around your car, you know, like having something like this, like the Android box, and then also having a dash cam, or you know, the one that goes on your interior mirror, and you can just have the dash cam red and wireless Apple CarPlay. This may just be for you. As you can see, you got some charging indicators on the side and the big giant lens on the front. It does tilt and move around, and all your little bits on the back there too. Your memory card, your SIM card, and obviously the USB-C pass through. So what you can do on the load key side when the dash camera is installed is there's a memory card in there now. You can view the footage, you can take a picture, you can lock your footage down so that it saves it. You got this, which is an emergency file. See, this is where all your loop videos and your captures go, so you can view them here as well. You've got the loop video, capture and emergency, so all your records of your videos will go here. It is recording, as you can see. Then you've got your capture down the bottom too, your loop videos and settings you can go into to adjust what settings you want. Come back out, and then you've got your interface right here, and there should be an image be able to be viewed very shortly. So let's just wait and see what happens. You can move the white dot as well, so it's up and out your way, and it will go off eventually. So you got auto startup is on, about us, and you can exit the application. Let's go ahead and cancel, go back, and there we go. Video is now on. If you click it, it goes full screen into the app. Looks pretty good, looks pretty clear. You can't zoom or do nothing with it, but timestamp and date stamp is in the top corner. That's what it's going to look like when you're on the loop. This needs changing so that it's the right time and date. Because there's no memory card and it's not connected to a hotspot right now, it will show you the wrong time. But you can change this in the settings and make it all perfect the way you'd want it. It's basically what it's going to look like. And as you can see, that's what it's going to look like when it's on your window. I've put it here where my next base one used to be, as obviously it's on test right now. So I'll be testing this for the next day or two. And then this is what it's going to look like now from outside the car. As you can see, if we go back. What did you think of the Carlinkit Smart Dash Camera? Is it something you consider picking up for yourself? I think it's pretty good. I mean, the footage speaks for itself, as there's many dash cameras out there that you can go and buy, but having the special features that this one has, like adding wireless CarPlay and the fact that you're able to see what your dash cam sees on your screen itself, that's pretty special just for having those features alone. But don't forget, you can use RM15 for 15% off on the Carlinkit website, linked in the description down below this video and the first pinned comment. But let me know what you think. Sound off in the comment section. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on so you don't miss future uploads from this channel just like this. And I will see you in my next video. The next video for Carlinkit is going to be a special one, so make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you in my next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.